here. Real cats. Real.
Oh wait,
Never.
so you're saying it's not Monopoly money?
No.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Definitely.
Okay.
Real. This is the most money I've held in my hand in my life, I'll tell you that. But thanks again, 8080.
Hello?
Daniel, what's up? It's Casey from 880.
How's it going, Casey?
Good, man. Congrats, you're DCG 27 winner.
Woo!
Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, I want to shout with excitement right now. I cannot believe it.
Yep, that
It's
STI
like,
and 30 grand.
I've never, win something this big in my lifetime. This is insane right now. I can't believe it or what to believe.
Congrats,
Dude, all I can
man.
say, Daniel, is that you bought a freaking
Okay.
hat and you won an STI and 30K. A hat!
Yeah, no, it's like, it's something that was so simple and it got to this.
Yeah, congrats.
I
Next
had no
question.
idea.
When can we fly you out, man?
What's up, guys? We just got to the airport and Daniel, the winner of DCG 27, just landed. We're gonna go pick him up. You gotta say something.
And the worst part is, we were trying to book a hotel, and all of the hotels were booked. So I'm sorry you're staying at a Motel 6. What is that, airport tax?
ID photos to the next level. And these figures are going to
Are you Daniel? Are you Daniel?
flight number 364.
No?
Purposes only.
Hi, Daniel.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm doing good. Nice
Good.
to meet you. Nice to meet
Too.
you.
Levi.
Levi, nice
Yeah,
to meet
nice
you.
to
This is
meet
my
you.
cousin
Nice to
Alan.
meet you.
right?
Alan, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Go ahead and walk through.
Look at that for you, man. Hop on in.
Been on Facebook.
Oh, really? Heck yeah,
This guy was big mad.
dude.
What was that?
He's like,
Oh,
we were like, he's right there.
man.
It's like home, huh? In and out. The hype man.
Alan,
Yeah.
so tomorrow when we're live on 8080, you gotta pants him.
Oh, I will. I will. I will.
I have to take it off.
You mind?
Alan, get in there, guy.
Okay, so just so you know, they did overbook us.
Oh
I
dear.
don't have 2 beds available. I can.
Alan.
Ooh, I have no mind in sharing. It's
I
alright.
can get you into a 1 bed. Sir, please don't videotape me.
I'm not.
Okay. I can get you into a 1 bed.
Okay.
If you're okay with that.
I won't tell.
I'm gonna have to get my. I need to speak to a manager wig on.
Yeah, you do. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you feeling today?
Good morning. It's nice and fresh in Utah. Feels good out here.
Yeah, you excited?
Super excited.
Yeah.
No words.
Alan, you excited?
Excited for the day again. Insane.
Which one's Daniel?
Right here.
Holy shit, pickles!
Oh, Alan, you should have sucked him out when he was like, I'm Daniel.
God, he is a pretty human being. Look
He
at
is
this
good looking,
guy.
huh?
Jesus. What is it, like 5 minutes worth of prep work on you?
No, about 2
This is
minutes.
like 2 hours worth of just Don't look like a hobo.
No, you look good. The high socks, the beard.
That's the beard.
That's it.
Right?
What? What's that?
That
Check the new
jacket.
merch. Jacket.
That's dope.
Oh hell! Hold
look
on, why
way
would it
cool
turn
on
you away
me.
from Daniel? He
It
just
would
won a
look really good
goddamn
on you.
car.
You shaved. Yeah.
You were supposed
Because you were
to.
making fun of my beard yesterday.
was.
He can't see us though.
Can't see us. We
Look how he's so nervous.
Look at that pure nervous. And we're
Alan
still
just
up to
killed it.
that.
You're torturing him.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go out there and get him. All right, Dan. You ready? Say hi. Facebook, Instagram. Look.
Alan.
Look at him. He's so dressed up today. Love it. Okay. Hold on. Okay, bring him in. We're bringing him in. No, it's you.
I can't, honestly. But yes. Look at that. Look at that. Cash.
Title, cash.
Car. This is real.